Storm preparations are underway in Seal Beach, where a mile-long berm has been constructed to protect homes. Elise Preston has more from San Diego, where the focus is keeping people and property out of harm's way.
Lightning strikes light up San Diego, sounding the alarm for what's predicted to come as Hilary speeds its way towards the southwest.
It is scary. I mean, we don't know what's coming.
The storm is barreling north from Baja towards Southern California, putting many communities at high risk of excessive rain, as much as 10 inches, and what the National Hurricane Center calls catastrophic flooding.
We strongly advise people to stay home. If you do not need to be out on the roads, please take yourself out of the equation.
To dodge Hilary, 12 Navy carriers and ships are being moved out of San Diego's ports.
They'll remain out to sea until we determine the conditions are right to bring them back.
Other vulnerable beach communities hope berms and sandbags will protect them.
We were sandbagging, doing what we can to help out the neighbors that can't do this for themselves.
The storm already being felt in California's Mojave Desert, along with Phoenix and Nevada. Las Vegas could see a record-shattering 4 inches of rain. The threat of heavy downpours has many concerned that Southern California's hillsides, weakened by the massive winter storms, could give way.
It's so unknown. I don't know just how hard the storm's going to hit.
If Hilary does make landfall, it would be the first major tropical storm to hit Southern California since 1939, when more than 90 people died. President Biden says FEMA personnel and supplies are ready to respond if needed. Elise Preston, CBS News, Seal Beach, California.